Hi guys, and thank you so much for joining me on another video. This is just a quick demonstration, some more information to get out to yourselves. That I'm just showing you the house loads as we are cooking our evening meal. You can see there, the oven's just switched itself down a little, and also the solar has gone in a little. So we're only producing 900 watts from the solar. The actual unfortunately the oven's just switched itself down, so it's only pulling 400 watts for the house loads, but this app enables you to myself in this case, you can just see the time at the top there, 18:53. So we're cooking our evening meal, 900 watts coming from the solar, 460 watts now going out to the home for the house loads. That's everything. It was 2 kilowatts because the 2.5 kilowatts because the oven was on, and we've had a full battery for most of the day. I set it half an hour ago to discharge the battery into the grid, because again we do not need all this energy at the moment, and we are discharging into the grid at the higher rate, so we are getting a good revenue income from the grid. You've just seen it pop up to 900 watts, just under a kilowatt, and then back down. I wish I recorded this a little earlier, but unfortunately I didn't. But I shall put out another short video to demonstrate that in more clearer fashion. I set the app to fantastic versatile app. See, just 1.1 kilowatts there coming from the solar now as the sun comes out again. The house loads has just dropped to 370 watts because we're coming to the end of cooking our evening meal, unfortunately. Sorry, I'll just try and get the sun glare out of the way there if I can. Or perhaps if I do this with the curtain there. Sorry about that, that's a little bit better. In fact, what I will do, I will try and put on some more no, I'll have to re-record it again another time just to demonstrate it better. But literally, I've just picked up the camera there to record the house loads. But that's just shows you the versatility of the Sigenergy PV battery, the solar battery. And yes, I was hoping to I will roll out another video quite soon, but I just wanted to just get this out there just on the spur of the moment, as the time was advantageous. We've had 100% battery. It's now jumped up to 5.42 kilowatts going out to the grid. It's just dropped from 2.7 to 1.7 kilowatts. That's once you set the app to discharge. In this case, it was some 4 kilowatts to the grid. It will keep that within the parameters of your home loads. This is the gateway. The gateway will keep that within the parameters of 4 kilowatts going to the grid. Also, it handles the energy coming in from the solar and also the home load. So that's just a quick demonstration to show you the versatility of the Sigenergy battery and gateway. That's why I really wanted the gateway, to give us that versatility when we didn't need the energy from the grid, especially, what date is it today? It is the 27th of June. So that's just a quick demonstration there of the versatility of this system. As I said briefly, it's a 10.1 kilowatt peak system, 16 kilowatt hour battery, and with the gateway. So my advice to anyone would be, if they are going to have a system of this type, certainly have a gateway. The gateway also enables you to be off grid in case of a power outage, a power cut at any stage. But this is the way we use our system at the moment. We are very, very pleased. Again, fantastic work by Mark and the team from Powersonic. I've got to keep giving them a mention because we're really happy with the package. 4 MPPTs, which is what I wanted for the inverter, which enabled us to get so many panels from so many fascias on the roof space that we have, and really pleased with it. So guys, thank you very much for joining me, and hopefully you will join me again on another video. Thank you.